Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a new viral Korean Tribune trend like you are a fan in ChatGPT and Kling AI. So it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that and you will definitely get millions of views on your Reels or TikToks. So basically we'll need two applications, Kling AI and ChatGPT and prompts. So first of all, you will need to copy the prompt for ChatGPT that I will leave in the description. So here's the prompt. I will just copy it like that, and that's it. This is the first step. So copy, close, and then go to the ChatGPT. So first of all, we will need to upload several photos of yours. So click on the plus sign and choose your photos. The more photos you choose, the better will be the result. But I will just choose only one photo of mine and click on add one photo. And now we will need to simply paste the prompt. So click on the paste and send it to ChatGPT and wait until it will create an image for you, like a Korean Tribune trend image. And then when he will create this image, we will animate it and make from this image the video using Kling AI. So once our photo is created, as you can see, here it is, we will need to click on it to open and download it. In the top right corner, click on the download button and it says image saved. Now we can close the ChatGPT and open Kling AI. So we will need to simply click here allow paste. By default, in the Kling AI we have 66 value of some fire, so we will need only 60 to create our video. So to do this, we need to click on the AI video right here in the home page. Click on the AI video, choose frames, and in the top right corner you will need to make sure that video 3.0 is selected. So select it. If it's not, then we will need to upload our photo that ChatGPT created. Click on the big plus sign right here and choose the photo. Here is the photo. Now wait a little bit until it will upload this photo. As you can see, the photo is uploaded, and then we will need to copy the prompt for Kling AI. You can also find it in the description. I will go to the notes and copy the prompt from here. I will leave this prompt in the description. You can find it right here, copy. Then I can go back to Kling and allow paste and paste this prompt right here in the prompt menu. Now when everything is done, as you can see, we will need to customize this video. So click on the customization in the bottom left corner, and as you can see it says VIP. If you have 3 trials remaining, you can go with the 4K or 1080p. I will go with the 1080p for better for faster generation. You can increase the length of the video. As you can see, if you will choose 1080p, it will cost 100, but if you go with the 702p, you can increase the length of the video, which is good for the reels. So I will choose this preferences, then I will need to click on generate. Now we will need to simply wait like 3 to 4 minutes and your video will be generated. As you can see, our video now is generated successfully. We can click on it and see what it looked like, how it looked like. And now you can just download the video clicking on the download button in the bottom right corner. As you can see, video or live photo, we will choose video. Now it is downloading, and now you can upload it to your Instagram, TikTok, etc. to get millions of views. And that is basically it. That is how we can make this viral trend. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.